Most vacuums clean the floor, but everyday cleaning goes beyond the floor. This is the Xiaomi G20, a more powerful cordless vacuum designed for deeper everyday cleaning. It's built for homes that need stronger suction and tools for more than just floors. For example, furniture and mattresses collect dust that basic vacuums often struggle with. The G20 runs at up to 150 air watts and 25,000 pascals of suction, giving it the ability to lift embedded dust and fine particles from most surfaces. With up to 45 minutes on the floor brush or 60 minutes with a nozzle, you can clean the whole home in one go. The upgraded floor brush uses an anti-tangle design to reduce hair wrapping around the roller. The mini electric brush removes dust and hair from curtains, mattresses, and most upholstery. Remove the extension rod and it quickly becomes a handheld cleaner for shelves and tight corners. Inside, a multi-cone dust separation system keeps suction strong while filtering fine particles. More power often means a heavier weight, but even with this added power, it's still easy to maneuver around furniture and higher areas. In the box, you'll get everything you need to get started. Attach the head you need and start cleaning. When you're done, empty the dustbin with one press of a button. The Xiaomi G20, more power, smarter tools, and deeper cleaning.